I got a top speed, boys.
No.
Whoa! On this, it said.
All right.
What's going on, boys?
Hey, Trey. How you doing?
How we doing?
Howdy, partner.
What's up?
So, today's episode, we're going to take this cart out on a top speed run. But first, we're going to give you guys a tour and show you all the upgrades we made, mostly Bobby, to the cart. So, I guess let's start with the big one first, the cage. You guys remember I rolled this cart back in episode 20. We put it back on, but it was a little too low. It didn't have enough headroom. So we bumped it up a couple inches. I'm really happy with it. I think it looks awesome. That's a big deal. That was literally hanging over our heads for a while.
That's a bad one.
All right, over here, Trey, like on Bobby's cart, he installed hydraulic brakes for me. So we're gonna test those out today too. Very psyched about that. And he did a lot of work on the electrical system. You can see my speedometer's back on. If you take a look here, he's built the cover for this, but now all the electrical is up and running, and we're gonna test that out later. Bob, you wanna show him the cover, how it goes? Just like that. Oh, another thing, Trey, why don't you spin around over here? I wanna show the front of this cart off, because the other thing Bobby did for me is custom made all of these light covers with his 3D printer. That's something we talked about a long time ago, so I'm pretty psyched about that. So I think that came out awesome. I was supposed to help with the painting, but I never got there. So he did it all. And the electrical system wouldn't be operational without, come on back here, Trey. Here's a great view of the new alternator Bobby put in. The seat's not in the way, so you can see it really good. You can see the sick black bracket he built. So I'm really happy with that. And while your camera's down there, we got my battery back in. It's all wired up, so I think I'm good. Bobby, what do you think? Am I good? Am I good to go electrical wise?
Yeah, man, you're 100% set. We got stuff to add still.
Yeah.
But it's all working and it's all good to go. We had a little spark plug scare earlier that made me question my whole life, but we got that sorted out and we're looking pretty good. And the last thing that Big Bob neglected to mention, which is immensely important, is right here. We're repping hard now, so.
Yeah, we are.
That looks so dope.
So with all those upgrades, I think we're ready for a top speed run. What do you think, boys?
I think we test it first.
That's actually a good plan. Yeah, I like
Let's do that.
Yeah, let's do that. All right, what do you think?
I think we're about ready for a shakedown.
Yeah, we got to test it before any top speed maneuvers.
Yeah, let's just make sure that your new brakes work and...
Brakes are a biggie, yeah.
Yeah, and we just got it running again after some weirdness, so.
Yeah.
Actually, you can start it right up. You got full electrical and everything now, so.
I don't have to pull it anymore?
No more.
Let's see. Woo! Nice, that's a nice upgrade right there.
Yeah.
I'll let you know. Oh, we got lights.
Give me the low beams.
Nice.
Yeah, my dash is all together. I can see the alternators working. We got some power, we got some battery life there. We're gonna check the brakes first. It's not stopping on a dime, but it's stopping. Whoa, I think we can tweak them a little bit. feeling good. She's feeling good.
Looking good.
Your brakes, even though they're hydraulic now,
Yeah.
you don't have a ton of mechanical advantage. So you do have to stop, like really push on them hard to
Okay.
get them to really lock up.
All right, I got to get used to that. That's all. I think I'll take it down to the street now. Do a little brake test.
There you go.
All right. Yeah, the brakes, you just put a little weight on them. They're good.
Yeah, you don't need them to lock. It's scarier. We lock them on the Rascal all the time. It's like ABS.
Yeah. No, I dig it. It's feeling good so far.
We about ready for that top speed run?
I think so. I think I'm ready to roll. Let's do that.
I got a top speed, boys.
I think you got 45 all day.
I got 47 on this.
No.
47.
No!
On this, it said 47. I mean, we got to check your phone, but this thing said 47. It was north of 47. I almost thought I could get 48.
You're my phone. Top speed, 47.
I knew it.
Oh my god!
She was flying.
Woo! Wow. That's
Yeah.
pretty sick.
No, she was rocking. She was rocking, man. So, to the engineer, boom, right there.
We're getting dialed in, bro.
Yeah, yeah. No, this thing, and you know, this thing holds the road pretty good too, because of its weight. you know? So I felt good. I felt good. Wow. At the moment, that's our best top speed.
Yeah.
So
On any build.
yeah,
How fitting that it be Big Bob's cart.
very nice. I dig it.
I still got him off the jump though.
Oh yeah, you'll crush me off the jump every time, but and the cross cart is coming.
Yes.
But
The cross cart is coming.
but for now, this was a nice run.
You know, this is still stage 1 too. Like you can go out to stage 3, 2, 3, 4.
Wow.
So
Honestly, I think I could have hit at least 48. I was a little nervous because you mentioned about the back wheel, a little something, but you saw a little wobble back there, so
well, it's looking tight, bro.
yeah. Flames again?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
We run rich. That's why we fouled our spark plug. But it's all right.
All right, boys. That was fun.
You beat me.
Yeah. Well, it was fun to get this thing out there and get the top speed. So I don't know. I think we're about ready to close this thing up.
I'd say.
If you guys want to see more of this cool stuff, don't forget to like and subscribe. And Trey?
Remember, hit those notifications.
If you don't mind, I'm gonna take the scenic route home.
Do it.
Yeah. All right, we'll see you.